guys. So I got this one nice and good. It feels super good now. And I did this so that it actually is good, not this old crusty rubber since it's been sitting out here. So yeah, it feels really nice, and I couldn't do the very end. And this is fine. Yeah. So I'm gonna do that end now. Just gotta get this piece of tape off. You can see how it used to be before it got all crusty and old. It was actually pretty nice. So I'm gonna keep going. Now this one's a little harder because there's this little thing here. So that sucks. Alrighty, I'll finish with that now. And this side feels good. This side feels good. So that. What do I do about that? I'll show you what. One sec. Sandpaper. Oh yeah. This is gonna take a long time. Surely enough, it works pretty good though, so that's good. Now, while I'm doing this, I noticed a big problem. Not that. This. Look at this big crack. It's not that big of a problem, but it's not that nice looking, so I'll see what I can do about that later. But I got this much paint off, so that's nice. Something I noticed. This paint's a little bit tougher, so I'll show you what I'll do about that. Yeah. So I got this thing, and it works a lot better. Now, by the way, so I have this little thing going around where, Okay, so if you have like something that, like a skateboard or like a bike or something, you can send it to me, pay me $5. Everything I do will be $5, and I'll completely fix it all the way and make it look nice too. Okay, so yeah, do that. Bye. Now, about a month ago, I found this, and I actually found it in like a field, and it had some pretty bad bearings on it, so I took out the bearings, and I took out the wheels, and it just tipped over. So I fixed this part up, I fixed that part up, I got this rubber part on good, and this is nice now. It spins good, and they're the original wheels, because I couldn't get different ones. They all spin nice, they all spin good, all four of them. So, yeah. Nothing on the bottom, too. I might have to get some of this stuff off, but that should be fine. And I'll keep going. This is a freaking pain. So, there used to be a big seat right here. It's kind of like a plasticky leather stuff, but I just took that off and threw it away. You know, imagine a car seat. Someone got a car seat and left it out in a big field full of rats and stuff, and there's a single nut in the middle. Imagine all the rats in that entire field went over and mauled that thing to pieces to get that nut inside of it. That's how bad it looked, and it was like basically completely gone, just kind of tattered on top. So that's what used to be here. That's why there's kind of some paint left right here, and the entire thing used to look like that, but I'm just going to put some polish on it and make it normal wood. So yeah. One sec. Bit of a problem. This paint stuck on here pretty good, but I'll just bring out the heavier duty. You know what I'm gonna do about that? An even bigger chisel. My gosh, that took so long. I just spent about 20 minutes deleting old crap that I never used so that I could take another video. My gosh. Sorry it's kind of poorly edited together, but I got the smaller chisel, another one. It's kind of broken at the tip. I don't know how though. So I've got that end done, but this end is a freaking pain. It don't come off. So I got it for the most part, and I'm going to take it for a test drive real quick. So let's go. All right. No brakes, see? This thing does not work, so wish me luck. Alright, that is a lot easier to control than I thought, and that is actually really fun. So, someday in the future, I might add a motor to this, but for now I still need to get that crap off, so let's go. Okay, I got a little bit more off, and I'm going to get it off. I am determined, and nothing can stop me when I'm determined, so hee. And something else, this thing really needs brakes, because if it don't, you're just going to go flying off forever. So, I might run inside and get a jacket in a minute, but right now I'm fine. So, yeah, nice. Okay, right now, checking out the bottom, it's pretty nice. I remember fixing this part up, but there is some stuff, so I need to get that. Okay, something new, I have no idea how this brake system works. This thing's here, that's there, this part right here is broken, I don't even know. So, it's going to be a pain to figure out, but I'll do that later. Right now I'm working on the bottom. Alright, the bottom's finished for now. Got everything I need, and so now I gotta go back to working on the top again, which really sucks because I hate working on the top because it sucks. So, yeah, I'll keep going. Still going at it. UPS is here. They're delivering my dad's bullets. But I got a whole bunch of this stuff off, so that's nice. Keep going. Can't wait till the all-nighter where I gotta do all this work. And I'm gonna be all tired and I can't sleep. Oh my gosh, I'm so close to doing it. Oh my gosh. Look, I just went over and grabbed the package and I'm back to it. Oh my gosh, look how much is left. I'm almost there. I am finished. I got all the paint. Holy crap. Now all I gotta do is get sandpaper and go over it like 8 times. You guys can't see it, but the screen's covered in sawdust. There are also birds up there and they keep screaming. You guys probably can't hear it, but they're screaming and it sucks. Down, it's super soft. I'm not going to get splinters from it anymore. Getting smooth. Okay, for these little sharp parts right here that aren't supposed to be there, I'm just going to shave it. Still working on this corner. Okay, I can barely see it on the phone screen because it's covered in sawdust, but I've been going down with the sandpaper, and this looks like it would be super hard, but it's super soft. I'd use that as toilet paper. It's more thin and bendy. But I'm almost done. Still got some more work to go, so it's going to be a pretty long video. In fact, I might make it a 2-parter. I was going across the slide, and this little thing just came out and stabbed my finger. Oof. So yeah, I'm going over that a few more times. It looks a little better. Keep going. My goal is to get this so flat that I'd lick it. And right now it's not like that, so I'm going to keep going. Alright, still going. Yeah, it's about good. Yeah, nice and soft. Everywhere else is soft too, and I've got to check the edges. Good. A little bit of work right there will be needed. Good. Right, let's go work over there. I'm 100% finished with the top side. Let's flip it over. Finished with the bottom. All I got to do is fix the brakes and put some, I don't know what you call it. It's like finish on it. You got to put some finish on it, but I'm not going to do that today. And I'm going to make this a 2-part video, and this is going to be part 1. Yeah. My last thing, I'm going to take this, and I'm going to do a test drive. The last one for today. Then I'm going to keep working tomorrow. because I need wire and stuff. So, yeah. Now I'm going. So I can't go very fast on it since there's no brakes on it. But even then, out of 10, from scale of 1 to 10, I'd rate that a 10. So yeah, like, subscribe, and tell me what you want to see me do next. Bye.